up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia. That's me. We have an awesome video today because we are using the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette.
Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today.
So this is the brand new Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Bunch of mattes, a bunch of shimmers, some glitter-ish shadows in there. Basically, a very awesome palette for some soft glam. Originally wasn't going to get this palette, but a lot of you guys just like begged me. So I was in Sephora, they had it, and I was just like, okay, I'll get it. I mean, it's a gorgeous palette. Don't get me wrong. It is beautiful. But sometimes all of my palettes, they get put in the back of the drawer and I never use them. And it's sad. But here we are today. We're using this palette, not for the first time, but for the second time. And I'm gonna be recreating that look because I really, really enjoyed it that much. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial, use the Soft Glam palette, and then finish it off with some face and some bomb lips. So I'm gonna be starting off with a base. This is MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. I'm gonna put this all over my eyes and my lids and mix it into the concealer that I have on my brow bone. And this is going to create a great base for our shadows. So I just wanna set all of that. So I'm gonna be taking Tempera right here and lightly dusting this over the eyes. Oh my God, there's so much fallout. Kidding. Then for a transition color, I'm gonna be jumping into Burnt Orange. Then for the crease, I'm gonna be taking some Burnt Orange. I think I said Burnt Orange before. I meant Orange Soda and then Burnt Orange. Then for inside the crease and a little bit on the inner and outer corners, I'm using Sienna. Then for the outer and inner corners, I'm going to take a tiny bit of Noir and Cypress Umber. And I just want to place that a little bit on the outer corners and inner corners. For the center, I'm going to be taking bronze. And I kind of want to create a cut crease right in the middle of the eye. So I'm going to take some of my Tarte Shape Tape in a really, really tiny, thin brush and just kind of make like a U shape on the top of my eye. And let me show you what I mean. So just right there in the crease. So once I've finished cutting out the center of the lid, I'm going to use a little bit of Fairy on the center. And then I'm going to spray my brush with the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Primer Water Setting Spray. And I'm taking bronze to the inner and outer corners of that cut. Then I'm just going to take some of Noir just to line my eyes so that when we put our false lashes on, we are hiding that band. So now moving on to my face, I'm going to be applying both of these two primers right here. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Primer and the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. So here is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. The color that I grabbed is Light Y270. After we finish our foundation and our concealer, almost forgot there, we're gonna apply our Perfect Setting Powder from Cover FX, my favorite setting powder ever. For blush, I'm going to be applying the Jouer Adore Blush Duo. For bronzer, I'm gonna apply the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion Bronzer. To really bring this whole look together, I gotta do it. I also picked up the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I'm gonna be using this on all of the highlight areas of my face, including the eyes. Now we're moving on to lips. I got 3 products right here. This has been one of my favorite lips lately. It is Nighthawk by Urban Decay, Naked Lipstick by Urban Decay, and the brand new Prismatic Gloss from Lancome in Luminescent. I always forget the name. On top of this, I want to add a little bit of this bronze, and I just remembered that I have the brand new Hi-Fi glosses from Urban Decay, and this color right here is called Gold Mine, and I'm gonna just place this right on the center. Ooh, that is cute, my friends. This is a cute look. So that completes, not yet. So that completes my whole makeup look using the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I know that it's a tiny bit, not too much, but a tiny bit out of my comfort zone because I don't usually wear golds like these, but this came out super pretty. Of course, as always, make sure to subscribe right there, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notifications when I upload, so you don't miss out on anything at all. And here are the rest of my videos here. Make sure to click that so you know what you missed. But I love you guys. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you soon. Bye.